In this challenge, I want you to basically create the functionality of the pause menu. So we hit the P key and this pause menu gets enabled. What you need to do now is when you click the resume button, you unpause the game, which we saw in the previous lecture that by setting timescale back to 1 is the normal time of the game. And then if you hit the main menu, you should go back to the main menu. So where do we have this functionality? Where do we hook all this up? Well, it makes sense if you click on your canvas, you have a UI manager. It's responsible for on-screen elements. So create some methods in here that will handle that. So here we're going to have a method for, resume play. We'll have a method for back to main menu. Okay, so back to main menu. And inside the back to main menu, you're going to have to create the functionality to load that main menu scene. So we have a resume play method, we have a back to main menu method, and then also when you resume play, you want to make sure that you hide that, you need to make sure you hide that panel. And you'll remember that that panel is a private object. So you'll need to call something in this game manager that's basically going to say, hey, pause menu panel.setActive is false. All right, so good luck, and I'll see you in the challenge review.